Do you ever confused between simple past and simple present tense? When should we say I go to the school? And when should we say I went to school? Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain everything in a simple and easy way with examples, rules, and common mistakes. So, stay tuned and watch till the end. Simple present tense. Let's start with the simple present tense. We use it to talk about habits, facts, schedules, and opinions. It describes things that are generally true or happen regularly. Structure or formula of simple present tense. The structure of simple present tense is very easy. For positive sentences, subject plus base form of the verb plus object. For negative sentences, subject plus do or does plus not plus base form of the verb plus object. For questions or interrogative sentences, do or does plus subject plus base verb plus object. Examples of simple present tense. Here are some examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. It's a habit. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. It's a general truth. The train leaves at 8 p.m. It's a scheduled event. She does not like coffee. It's an opinion. Do you play football on weekends? It's interrogative sentence or question. Now, let's talk about the simple past tense. We use it for completed actions in the past, past habits, and events that happened at a specific point or time. The structure of simple past tense is also simple. For positive sentences, subject plus second form of verb plus object. For negative sentences, subject plus did not plus base form of the verb plus object. For interrogative sentences or questions, did plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object. Here are some examples of simple past tense. I watched a movie last night. Completed action. She visited Paris in 2020. Specific time. We played football every weekend. Past habit. He did not finish his homework. Negative sentence. Did you call me yesterday? Question. Comparison table of simple present versus simple past tense. Now let's compare both tenses side by side. Simple present is used for general facts, habits, and routines, while simple past is used for completed actions and past habits. Time words for simple present include always, usually, every day, while simple past uses yesterday, last week, in 2010. For example, she writes a book. Present versus she wrote a book last year. Past tense. In question, we use does she write a book in present tense and did she write a book in past tense. In negative sentences, we say she does not write a book, present tense, and she did not write a book, past tense. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Many learners make mistakes while using these tenses. Let's fix them. Mistake number 1. She did not went to school. The correct sentence is she did not go to the school. Mistake number 2. I go to the market yesterday. Correct sentence is I went to the market yesterday. Mistake number 3. He play football every weekend. Correct sentence is he plays football every weekend. Make sure to use the correct verb forms. Great job. Let's do a quick recap. Use the simple present for habits, routines, and facts. Use the simple past for completed actions and past habits. Watch out for common mistakes. Now, here's your challenge. Drop a sentence in the comments, one in the simple present and one in the simple past. I'll check them for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you.